Smart street lighting is a long-term investment that shapes communities for decades. And with public funding often at stake, projects must be transparent and well-informed. Since 2024, the DALI Alliance, the TALQ Consortium, and the Zhaga Consortium have joined forces to unify data streams for smart street lighting, as well as promote interoperability and seamless communication across outdoor lighting networks, making infrastructure more versatile, efficient, and sustainable. Something Heinrich Tai, Secretary General of the Zhaga Consortium, Paul Drozhin, General Manager of the DALI Alliance, Jose Sanchez, Chairman Certification Work Group of the TALQ Consortium, and Oscar Derlou from Signify, and member company of all three organizations, discussed during a workshop at SALC in New Orleans. By combining over a decade of technical expertise, DALI, TALQ, and Zhaga support cities, operators, and end users with proven international standards. As of 2026, their specifications will align, enabling smooth, loss-free communication from each streetlight to the central city platform, bringing future readiness, security, and resilience, operational efficiency, openness, and interoperability, as well as sustainability benefits. If you want to continue the conversation, reach out to any of the three organizations via their homepages or on LinkedIn.